Tired of battling overflowing gutters and relentless debris? This is your ultimate DIY guide to installing gutter guards from Costco, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. First, let's check out your new gutter guards from Costco. Make sure you have all the components listed in the manufacturer's instructions before you begin safety first. Grab a sturdy ladder and position it securely on level ground, ensuring it reaches your gutters comfortably. Before installing anything, it's crucial to thoroughly clean your existing gutters. Remove any leaves, twigs, and sediment. A trowel or small shovel works great for this, followed by a quick rinse with your garden hose to flush out remaining dirt. Now, let's prep for installation. If you have old gutter guards, carefully remove them usually. This involves unscrewing fasteners or gently prying them loose. Dispose of them properly or recycle if possible. It's time to install your new Costco gutter guards. Typically, these slide under the last row of shingles and rest on the front lip of your gutter. Consult your product's specific instructions for the exact placement, as different designs have slightly different methods. Secure the gutter guard according to the manufacturer's directions. Most systems utilize self-tapping screws designed to go through the guard and into the gutter's fascia board. Or sometimes the gutter itself don't over-tighten. Just make sure it's snug and won't shift. Continue this process for the entire length of your gutters. If your guards have interlocking sections, ensure they overlap correctly to prevent any gaps where debris can sneak through. Work your way around the house, section by section. Once all sections are installed, perform a water test. Use your garden hose to simulate rainfall and confirm that water is flowing freely into the downspouts and not pooling or overflowing. This confirms your guards are working as intended and no debris is entering the system. And there you have it. Your gutters are now protected, keeping your home safe from water damage and those pesky clogs. Enjoy the peace of mind and the satisfaction of a job well done, all thanks to your DIY gutter guard installation from Costco.